Custom built in 2004, this brick-front Colonial is located in Scituate Hills, a serene community within close proximity to Providence. The home's open floor plan offers plenty of space and opportunity to entertain friends and family. Enter through the front door into the gorgeous two-story foyer showcasing detailed woodwork and rich hardwood floors that are present throughout the home. Abutting the foyer are both the comfortable living room and the stately dining room ideal for formal gatherings. Off the dining room is the spectacular kitchen, boasting granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a casual dining area brightly lit by a glass slider looking out to the rear yard. Opening off the kitchen is an impressive great room that can be accessed from the front porch and features a gas fireplace and a wall of French doors that walks outside to the secluded deck. Out here on the deck, you can entertain guests and enjoy al fresco dining while looking out on the manicured lawn. Residing on the second floor is the master suite with an ensuite bath offering spacious accommodations. Also on this level are two ample bedrooms, a full bath and a dual sink vanity, and a convenient home office. The unfinished basement offers you the ability to expand the already bountiful living space. Scituate, home to the annual Scituate Arts Festival, is a tranquil suburb offering local shopping opportunities in lovely Scituate Village. Enjoy the trails at the Parker Woodland Wildlife Refuge, one of several parks in the area. Grab locally grown goods at nearby farms like Indian Rock Farm. This magnificent home and its peaceful setting are less than 20 miles from the bustling culture of downtown Providence. For more information, please call Michelle Caprio at area code 401-457-1308.